Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from twitch.tv. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we start, we need to understand what the minimum payout threshold is. So I'm over here at a help article from Twitch TV. So they got a minimum payout threshold, which is time recording. So the lowest minimum is $50 for eligible countries for the payout methods of ACH, direct deposit, e-check, local bank, PayPal, and check. Now also processing wire transfer payouts will still require $100 minimum due to transfer fees. But as I stated, don't worry if you don't meet the $50 threshold in a given month, your balance rolls over for the next month. So in order to, if you do have more than $50 or $100, go to twitch.tv, sign into your account, and then click onto user profile, and then click onto create a dashboard. Now from here, we want to go ahead and pay attention to the left hand side where it says create a dashboard. Click into analytics. Now the payout section is going to be either under analytics or settings. So you'll see payout or something similar. Just simply click into it. And then from there, you need to set up your payment method. So you can choose your preferred payout method. So Twitch typically supports methods like direct deposit to a bank account, and then just simply wait for the payout cycle. So Twitch processes payouts once a month, typically around the 15th. Similar to YouTube's around the 21st, 22nd every month. Your earnings for the previous month are also calculated and the payment is initiated. Now from there, you're going to receive your payment. So depending on your choosing payment method, it may take a few business days to fund so for the funds to reach your account.